Hello, this is Fernando Abreu from Centro Architects. Here I am again with another video of Do It Yourself. And today we're going to talk about CFE bills. I know most of you don't like to get them. I personally don't. But we're going to talk about it and give you some tips to save some money, or at least to know how to pay less or how you're doing on your bill. So here is a partial part of the bill. This is where you can see how much consumption you're doing, and basically you have a basic, an intermediate, and an excedent or an exceed. So when you're on the basic, you want to see the kilowatts that you're consuming, which it said right here, and then how much money you're paying for each of those, and how much you pay total. So you can see that in the basic, in this bill I have 150, and I'm paying 0.79 pesos for each of this, which takes you to 118. But here, when you go to the intermediate, you have 250 and you're paying 0.95. Then you go to the exceed number, so after this I consume all of these 242. And then this one I'm paying almost 3 times more, so 2.80. So for the same amount, 250, almost 240, I was paying 239 and now I'm paying 678. So that's how much more you're paying for going over these two numbers. So then now what you want to do is check on the back of your bill, and you can see here how the history is. So you can see how much consumption you have in 2016, then 2017, 2018, and this is bimester, so it's two months of consumption. And it's even better to see here, you got the kilowatts right here, and you can see the way you use it, and you can compare to last year and see if you're consuming what you normally consume. Now, there is an interesting thing to this, and many people don't know this, but you have something called DAC. And the DAC is, in the Spanish, Tarifa Doméstica de Alto Consumo, so high consumption payment. So you have, I put some examples here, these are random numbers, and so you put the 2 months that you have, this is a year, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bimesters. And the idea on the DAC is that you don't pass 12,000 kilowatts a year. That means every 2 months you can consume 2,000 kilowatts and you'll be fine, you'll be under the DAC. But if you go over that, then you're gonna pay more. Now, this is taken per year. So that means that I have all of these consumptions, and at the end I make 11,400, so I was under. In this one, I was in DAC. I consume all of this, and then I get this number. The bad thing about the DAC is that it doesn't come from this or this or this. It's assumed, and then they divide it in between the 6. So that means that, let's say that you have a problem in your house, and you start raising the number of money that you were paying a lot, and you find out this month or this bimester that you were paying more. They were like, oh, maybe it's okay, maybe something wrong. Then the next one you get something higher, and you do something about it, and then by this month you already did something and you're paying way less than you were paying, but you still paying DAC because you still on this Zoom getting here to this number that exceeds the 12,000. So basically, if I go into DAC in 1 month, in 1 bimester, I'm gonna have to go several bimesters to get out of it. So I can get rid of these numbers and start seeing these numbers. So many people don't understand and think, oh, I'm consuming less now, I had a problem, but now it's done. No, but you're still paying DAC because they take all of the past months to give you less than 12,000. And to manage that, you're gonna have to go like this for at least, depending on where you are, 6 months, probably 5 months or so. So this is it. I hope this is helpful, and we'll be showing you more videos in the future. Thank you very much for watching.